How to use Sondo AI. So you're going to get started by opening your browser and go to the official Sondo AI website, which is sondo.ai/home. From there, you're going to create a free account by clicking on sign up or try free now from the top right corner of the page. And then you're going to either continue with Google or continue with Apple ID, or if you want to start with your email. From there, you're just going to click on anything and then you're going to get started with signing up. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main Sondo AI dashboard. So what you're going to do is you're going to familiarize yourself with the interface by exploring the available tools and features shown in the menu. So you have here your left sidebar as well as your entire dashboard that shows you all of the samples that you can try. Now from there, to start a new project or task, you're going to first think what you want to do. So, for example, you want to do an MV or a music or a song. So, for this one, we're just going to click on music from the left sidebar. And then you will have here two tabs at the top where you can choose whether you want to do a basic task or a more advanced one where you can add your song lyrics, your genre. You can also choose random from here, but these are all of the available genres that you can try. And then you have here the option to add a title. You can also select a vocal gender you want if you want it to be random or female or male. So we're just gonna try that out. Let's go with the advanced so that I can show you the full functionality of it. We're going to enter the song lyrics first. I actually generated this using AI only, so this is basically just a sample. Now you can also try to refine this by clicking on this refine button right there if you prefer. Like you can have the optimized result right here and then you can just type in or like you can just click on replace. Now from there you can choose a song a genre, so we're going to enter the style that we want. So I want this to be jazz actually. From there we're going to add in a title, so let's just say that this one is entitled Flicker in the Dark. So let's remove that so that it doesn't get caught up or like included in the lyrics. I'm also going to remove these markers right there, and then from there we are just going to click or type in the title that we want. I'm going to paste it in here and then I'm going to select a vocal gender. I'm going to choose male. Now you're gonna need 10 credits to create a song and I have exactly 10 credits right here, so we're going to try that. Just click on create right here. Just I want you to notice that they use like a credit system here and immediately you will see it creating two versions of this song. So you can just click on the song that is currently generating, then you can try to listen to it. Now, once these songs are done generating, you can review the output generated by Sondo AI. And if you need adjustments, you can use the edit button that they have there. And if you want to refine option to give follow-up instruction and improve the result. Most AI looks like Sondo allow you to iterate on the output until you are satisfied. Now, once you're happy with the result, use the export or download option to save your work. You can just click on it. And that's it. For the best experience, always be as detailed as possible in your prompts and explore all the features in the dashboard to take full advantage of everything Sondo AI offers.